Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Establish a daily study routine and stick to it. Consistency beats cramming. Study physics for 2 hours each day with one focused 50-minute session and one 40-minute session, and schedule short breaks between. Do at least 10 varied problems every day to reinforce concepts and build problem-solving speed, alternating numerical, conceptual, and derivation questions. Spend 30 minutes reviewing previous notes and formulas to keep 30% of study time on revision. Track weak topics and adjust the daily plan weekly. Focus first on deep conceptual understanding. Avoid rote memorization when possible. Master core concepts by explaining them aloud and linking them to everyday examples, for instance, motion of a car for kinematics. Create a formula sheet and practice derivations until you can derive each formula in 2 minutes, emphasizing dimensions and assumptions. Solve past exam papers under timed conditions once a week to simulate real test pressure and learn time management. Use error logs to record repeated mistakes and revisit those topics deliberately. Choose high-quality resources and organize study tools for efficiency. Use a mix of textbooks, lecture notes, and one trusted reference book for alternate explanations. Annotate margins and highlight assumptions. Form study groups of 3 to 4 peers to teach each other and solve challenging problems together, rotating roles so each student explains one topic. Allocate one long revision session of 4 hours every 2 weeks for cumulative consolidation, focusing on weak areas, timed papers, and formula recall. Maintain a steady sleep schedule and active recall.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.